It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap Beauty, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I am going to do a little customization on this unit, not a whole lot. In the previous video, I showed you the unit. So in this video, I'm going to kind of not pluck it because I really don't want to do that, but I might have to pluck it a little bit. That might be something that you guys want to see. And I'm going to lay a few baby hairs. So first, you can, when it's on your head, it's sometimes easier to pluck because you can see exactly, how the outcome is going to be, exactly where you need to pluck. This area here definitely needs to be thinned out. I think I cut the lace a little too close, maybe. It's possible. So I'm looking here in my little hair bag or whatever you want to call it. Looking for this clamp. Alright. So on camera, I think I'm going to only pluck this area just so you guys can kind of get the gist. So this area is short. So this area is technically the designated baby hair area on the unit. So what I like to do is kind of hold this firmly and just tweeze some of the hairs out of there. When you have this on, depending on how your hairline is set up, you want to make sure that you're pulling from the lace and that you don't accidentally pull some of your hair, because that would not feel great. So I plucked out some. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but already it's looking a lot better. So for the baby hair, what I like to do, now that that area is plucked slightly, I'm not doing a whole lot. Y'all might be like, she ain't plucked nothing. That's fine. So I'm going to take about this much hair, and this is going to be my baby hair area. So you can cut it, or you can leave it long and just swoop it and swoop it back into the unit. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. I have done it all ways, so it's just like with anything, it's a preference. So I'm going to use this edge brush now to lay the baby hair. I have been liking this, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to dip the end of the comb in here and get a little bit. And what I'm actually going to do is put it kind of where the lace meets my skin. I'm just going to put it there. Then I'm going to start doing the baby hair. So I find that doing this helps the lace kind of melt in with the skin, and it kind of helps keep everything down. I wouldn't put the gel under the lace. This is the only way that I do it. Over here on the sides, I really don't do a whole lot for the sideburns, y'all. I love, you know, all of the swoops and the sideburn swoop and all that, but on myself, I don't do all that, okay? This is all that I do. Do a little shake, and that's it, okay? For me, I feel like it looks natural, so that's all that I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna show y'all a little action up here on the top, and then I'll finish the rest off camera. So up here, the knots are smaller. So I'm just gonna pull a little of the hair out and just jump right in and start doing the baby hair. So you can pluck it and do your baby hair, or if you feel like it's fine, then you can just go right in and start doing your baby hair. So I cut it a little bit. Now I dip the comb into the product, and I'm just gonna put it on the lace. Put it like on the lace. On the lace and slightly on my forehead where the baby hair is going to be. Okay, so now that I have some of that gel there, I'm just gonna start swooping the baby hair. Alright, so because I am rocking a side part in this unit, this is all that I'm going to do, y'all. Just one little swoop here and the two swoops here. Of course, when I wear like my big curly units and I'm actually going outside somewhere where the wind could like blow it back, then I do, you know, the baby hair going all the way down. But we're in the quarantine, okay? So this is gonna be perfect for my live later. This is all that they're gonna see. And for the part area, I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder in that part area. And this powder that I just grabbed is probably too light, but y'all will get the gist. But this is just a demonstration. So y'all can see when you put that powder on there, it definitely stands out. Let me just get some face powder, because that's doing. Okay, so using the face powder, that's giving me, you know, what I was looking for. So after you get it all installed and everything, of course you can go back and curl it. But like I said, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and this kind of messy, this little messy look. I like that kind of look. So I hope you guys enjoy. It kind of seemed like a quick, easy way that I like to customize my units without doing a whole lot. I didn't do any bleaching. I did very little plucking, and I laid like a thin roll of baby hair, and this is the look. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.